Stock option trading. Opendoor stock skyrocketing. Why? How high can it go? After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know my price target for Opendoor stock. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Look at this. My call options for Opendoor stock is up 50.20%, $689 profit. Another one, more than double my money, 126.62%, $880. This one, 191%, almost 3 times the capital, 1,500 profit. Another one, 765, 225.60% profit. So more than 3 times. So the capital I used was only 1.13. One call options represents 100 shares. So multiply 1.13 with $100. So I only use $113. Everybody has $113, right? So that's how you multiply wealth significantly in a very short times. Maybe this is only like 1 or 2 weeks, a few weeks. It's already over 3.68. So I want to give this call option to you as a gift. You can use it if you want. Of course, you need to make your own due diligence before using it. So right here, 3,898 for 4,000 profits, almost 4,000. My capital, initial capital was only 3,000. Okay, so 3,000 plus 4,000. So my total call options value right now is 7,100 plus. 7,100 plus. So June 15, 2027. So this is $2 call options, and this is like $3 call options. This is $4, and this is $5. And why did Opendoor stock option jump, call option jump? S&P 500 is also up 1.52% on Friday. Nasdaq 1.8%, it also up. Dow Jones 1.89%. This is very good. You see, if you see positive, very good. Opendoor stock up 39.17% in one day. In one day, Friday. What happened? Jerome Powell said Fed may need to cut rates depending on job markets. He see that there are more risks to the job markets and economies than having to worry about inflation. Inflation may not be that bad. So right now he's striking a difficult balance, and he's dovish right now. So which is very good for real estate. Opendoor is a real estate company. Okay, so that means when interest rate goes down, their cost of doing business goes down because they need to borrow money from the bank to buy houses. Their revenues gonna go up because when interest rate goes down, more people wants to buy houses, right? So revenues goes up, cost goes down, so their chance of being profitable, positive net income goes up. So that's why Opendoor stock goes up. And plus, there could be short squeeze. So when people shorting from $3, they are expecting Opendoor to go below $1. So they are expecting to make $2 profits. Right now, it's become $5 stock. So when it becomes $5 stock, what's going to happen? They need to buy back shares. So what is shorting a share? Shorting a stock means you borrow the stock that you don't have from your broker. Then after that, you short it. Okay, you sell it in advance. Then you need to buy back to close the position. So when the stock becomes $5, $6, $7, you're losing money, you need to buy back. Because you buy back, you create more demand. More people, more short sellers are buying back shares. That creates more demand, higher demand. So that means those people like me, you know what? We're gonna make profits. We're gonna make way more profits. 225%. It could be 2,000%, right? So why do I like call options? If you buy stock, if the stock becomes 100 times, your 1,000 becomes 100,000. But if you buy call option, you use 1000 to buy call options. One call option represents 100 shares. So 100 times 100 bagger stock becomes like 1000, 10,000 times. So your 1000 in call option could be 1 million, 10 millions. Of course, I'm not saying that this could become a 100% reality. This is not a financial advice. I'm not asking you to buy or hold or sell Opendoor stock or options. This is what I'm doing. Okay, my thought process. So I want you to know, if you want to make use of it, feel free to make use of it. Another way you can trade Opendoor stock is just to trade stock. If you don't know about options, you can just trade stock. Opendoor, that was on July 17. I sent out an alert to my patrons. So $1.65, and I said my breakout's gonna be 1.8. Speculated stock for day or swing trading. Okay, swing trading, we can do both for Opendoor stock. So within one day, it almost 3 times, 195%, 3.21. It hit 4.86. It hit 4.86. So pretty crazy. Yeah. You know, anybody who took profits, congratulations. Hey, if you missed that, don't worry. I sent out another alert on August 14. That was only 3.04 on August 14. Then, hey, within a few hours, it becomes 3.49. 3.49. Yeah, 14.81% gain. And if you had a little bit longer, 5.16 on August 22. So within 5 trading days, 69.74% gain, 70% gain. Pretty good. 1000 becomes 1700. So 700 is gonna be your profit, right? So that's how you becomes rich in stock trading and option trading. Of course, I'm not going to invest in Opendoor stock for long term, right? Because I want to see company becoming positive net income, profitable. Right now, they are EBITDA, adjusted EBITDA positive. Then after that, it just, once revenue goes up, cost of doing business, cost of borrowing goes down, their positive net income could become a reality because they have a cut cost, improving their operations and efficiency and stuff like that. So that could become a reality. So hey, once that net income becomes positive, hey, this stock can go up like crazy, a lot more. Of course, that's not 100% guarantee, but most likely interest rate is happening, short squeeze is happening this stock. Okay, plus real estate market improves fundamentally, then it's gonna be happening the stock fundamentally. So fundamentals gonna follow. Right now it's sentiment, mainly sentiment and technicals. Then after that, fundamentals could follow. When that happens, of course, if you get it too late, it will be too late, right? If you want a clear sign, you are already too late. Most of the times, we make the most profits when the market is missed, right? Most people don't believe in the stock. Then you are one of the few that believe in the change of directions, rebound, and technicals and fundamentals and sentiments. Then that's how you take profits from everybody else. Actually, we all can be rich, right? Of course, short sellers gonna lose, right? So what they lose, we gain. So who owns Opendoor stock or options? Comment down below. My price target for Opendoor stock is $10. $10. So just remember that, okay? $10 my price target. Hey, if you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, day trading movement stock, gold investing, other investment opportunities, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto and check out my playlist and share, subscribe. If you want to reach out to me, the link's gonna be in the YouTube description and comment down below. I will see you in the next video.